Hello friends, it's Saturday and it's a motivational video day. So what we are going to talk about today? Today we'll be talking about how to handle criticism, hatred and bullying over social media. So let's get things started. First we need to segregate these three traits like criticism, hatred and bullying into different categories. These things are not the same. First, I will come to criticism, or rather the critics who would be commenting on your video or your page or your post, and they would be telling you ki you lack this, you need to do this in a constructive or in a very demeaning manner. But whatever the manner may be, they are the critics and you should handle them with a broad smile. Never ignore your critics. Listen to them, pay heed to them and grab that as an opportune moment to learn something new. So when a critic or when somebody criticizes you, don't get disheartened. It is actually a very, very good opportunity to learn something new without even investing. So it's the person who is criticizing you out of jealousy or hatred, that person is actually helping you out. So listen to that person, welcome that person with a broad smile and use that tip to improve what you're doing. Next comes hate. So the haters, like the people who hurl abuses, throw negativity over your social platforms, over your photos, videos or other posts. So how to handle haters? Haters are the critics whom you haven't given importance to. So somebody has given you a few suggestions in a very penetrative manner, you didn't hear to that person and that person eventually has turned into a hater. He will be hurling abuses at you, showing negativity, sharing your things over certain dubious platforms from where you will get a lot of flack, but that's okay. Haters are pretty entertaining when it comes to social media. Listen to them, and if a comment or a post is pretty demeaning to you, delete it. But never stay oblivious to them. Talk to them and share their posts, like their comments, and do whatever to make them and do everything that makes them understand that you are different and you are better than them. So that is how you need to deal with haters. Haters need to be dealt with a smile like this. And next comes the bullies. This is what angers me the most. Suppose you encounter bullies and you ignore them or you shout at them, you are doing exactly the same thing and they will move away from you and they will bully somebody else. So when it comes to bullies, treat them with a lot of indifference. Don't pay heed to what they say. And slowly and steadily, when they won't be having any personal agenda, most bullies don't have a personal agenda towards you. They will just try to pinch you to show your reaction or to provoke you so that you don't do your proper work. So every moment you spend dealing with bullies, you are wasting that moment of creativity. So think on that. Don't give importance to bullies and they will go somewhere else. This is how you tend to handle bullies. So we have covered these three categories like critics, haters and bullies. So bullies are the most dangerous people and you need to handle them immediately. Don't give importance to them because they are people who enjoy demeaning others over social media because they don't have proper work to do. So let me tell you friends, like I love animals but I will still be comparing bullies or some kind of haters as wild animals. Suppose a dog barks at your house, or a group of dogs bark outside your house. You are not a dog, you won't bark back. What you can do is to feed them if they are hungry and they still go on barking. You can only fence your own house. You can't tell them to stop. So a dog will not listen to you because their brain is not developed as yours. But you are a human. And what you need to do, you need to be specific about things. And first thing, friends, don't be angry or don't try to defeat anybody. Like be empathic towards everybody, even your bullies, because eventually they will come around and they will be your biggest fans. So when somebody demeans you or says something bad or like criticizes you on social media, take it with a smile, try to improve yourself and look to have an open mind. An open mind is something which a criticism or a hateful comment goes from here and it doesn't stay here and it comes out of this portion. So this is what you should do. So friends, stay motivated and tomorrow there will be a new video. Stay healthy.